Now let's solve this problem. Sin theta plus cos theta into secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write the LHS. Okay. What is LHS? Sin theta plus cos theta into secant theta plus cosecant theta. Sin theta plus cos theta into secant theta plus cosecant theta. Now let me write the sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Sin theta plus cos theta. Secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We know that secant theta means what? 1 by cos theta. Plus cosecant theta. We know that cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Right? 1 by sin theta. Now take the LCM. Sin theta plus cos theta I will write as it is. Sin theta plus cos theta into cos theta into sin theta. It is the LCM. Cos theta into sin theta. Now here, what we have to write? Sin theta. Plus, here we have to write cos theta. Because cos theta into sin theta is a LCM. Now, nothing is in the denominator means we will consider it as 1. Okay. Now see, for this and for this, it is the, what is the relationship? It is the multiplication, right? So, multiply the numerator. That is sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. 1 into cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta. Right? Now see here. Sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. That is a plus b into a plus b. What? A plus b the whole square. In the same way, sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta, it is a plus b the whole square. Means sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. Okay? Whole divided by sin theta whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. And we know the formula of a plus b the whole square. That is, a plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, write this in the form of a plus b the whole square. Okay. That is a square. A square means what? Sin square theta. Plus b square. B square means what? Cos square theta. Plus 2 into a means what? Sin theta. B means what? Cos theta. Okay. We have replaced this in the form of a plus b the whole square. Whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now, see here, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is what? 1. Right? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So, replace this as 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now, separate this. Okay. Separate it as 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. We have separated this term. Now see, 1 by cos theta is what? Secant theta, right? 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 1 by sin theta is what? Into cosecant theta, plus for this cos theta cancels, and for this sin theta cancels, plus 2. Say here we got the RHS, but RHS is 2 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. We know that if we change the place of this, the value does not change, right? So we can write it as 2 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.